MLA, machine learning algorithm, are computer programs that adapt and evolve based on the data they process to produce predetermined outcomes. Machine learning algorithms are the program that can learn the hidden part from the data, predict the output, and improve the performance from experience on their own. Different algorithms can be used in machine learning for different tasks, such as simple linear regression that can be used for prediction problems like stock market prediction, and the KNN algorithm can be used for classification problems. In this topic, we will see the major overview of some popular and most commonly used machine learning algorithms along with their use case and categories.